Hello everyone, this is to tell you how to sort these values. It's like it's not sorted right. It's showing 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to sort this by date using query in Firebase. Yeah, let's start. In previous video I have explained how to delete specific data. If you want to see that video and then continue this. Okay. So here, see, this is our get data function. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just directly passing this collection. So instead of passing that directly, just adding it's like const it's like q, it's like query. Okay, and here query it is coming from Firebase. Okay, so see here it is imported here, and inside that query we need to pass this collection, and we're going to use order by date. This is also coming from Firebase. See here it is imported here, and then order by date by using this is what our insert data. So see, handle submit. So this is our date. So it's like pass that variable, or otherwise if you have any other different date variable, it's like date or otherwise something like that. Okay, you can pass that value here, and this is descending DSC or otherwise ASC. Okay, first I'll proceed with descending and save this const and pass this value here. Save this, go to browser. See, now it is showing descending order. It's like 1, 2, 3. Previously it was displayed like 3, 1 and 2. Okay, so if I remove this to ascending, save this. See, now it is showing in ascending order. In this way you can ascending and descending by using created data. Okay, yeah, in next video I'll show you how to upload image and store image from Firebase. Yeah, for this video this is what I tried to do in this video. I think this video will help you. Bye bye.